Welcome to the road to 1 million US dollars. Let's get right into the Bitcoin chart for today, starting on this 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, because right now we are actually breaking out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. And yes, this breakout has already confirmed here. So currently the active price target for Bitcoin is sitting at about 103,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin price. Now, the most important thing to take a look at right now for this pattern is actually to keep an eye on this point of the breakout here, because in the case that we get 4-hour candle closes below that point of the breakout, which is sitting at about 96.5k roughly speaking, then we would invalidate this pattern, meaning we have to cross it off and we have to cross off this price target as well. So to simplify, if we get those candle closes below the point of the breakout, it completely opens the door to more bearish price action once again. However, for now, this is actually a really easy time to be bullish. We are pretty close to that point of the breakout, and therefore, so long as we not fall below it, everything is good to go, and we can just keep riding this wave to the upside, similar to what we did here recently on this breakout trade. So that was on this ascending triangle pattern, got a bit of a fake out here, broke out to the upside, and then literally perfectly reached our price target. But enough about that. Let's actually take a look at some support and resistance levels for Bitcoin. Right here we have this 0.236 Fibonacci level sitting at 96.6k for the Bitcoin price. If we were to fall below that, then the next Fibonacci level of support, which again should act as a short-term level of support, is sitting at 94.7k. Now, besides that, we also have this Fibonacci retracement here from this wick high down to this wick low. You can see that right here, we also broke the downtrend that I was talking about yesterday. So I was saying, like, yeah, if we are going to be talking about a move to the upside, at the very least, we need to break above this Fibonacci golden pocket and that descending trend line, which we then did. And the key level of support to watch in the short term here is this Fibonacci golden pocket sitting at 96.6k all the way down to 96.3k. Now, even if we were to come all the way down to actually retest that, it wouldn't really have to be a problem necessarily. It could just be the case that we get a breakout, a retest, and then likely resumption from there if we successfully complete that retest, of course. Either way, let's now take a look at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map. First of all, on the 1 month time frame, we still have that biggest pocket of liquidity to the upside, sitting at 99.9k. So here we have close to $500 million worth of Bitcoin short positions. So typically the Bitcoin price gets attracted to where there is the most liquidity on this chart. And again, right now that is to the upside. At the same time, though, there is still a fair bit of liquidity to the downside. This is sitting at around 90,000 US dollars. That is something to keep in mind. But for now, I first would really have to see some critical levels of support being broken. I would have to see that bullish breakout pattern be invalidated before I could even start considering these 90k levels, because for now, as I'm recording this video, that simply does not seem to be relevant right now. Either way, this has been today's market update. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.